Yeah, they're going to take you on.
Spring 4, we're going to be in pursuit, at least taking off northbound. I'll give you a direction to travel here in a second. We can't TVO? No. How many cars? We're going to be northbound on Sunny Lane approaching I-40. Just going to yield right now.
Your call has been updated.
Watch out, dude. Clear up.
Box, are we able to confirm the female in the driver's seat?
I believe so. We're going to be getting westbound from Sunny Lane. We are getting on I-40, attempted TVI, just on the on-ramp, westbound I-40. Traffic is light, speeds are about 75 miles an hour. We're going to have good felony charges on the driver and passenger. In the middle lane right now, coming to the outside lane. Traffic's coming to moderate. Speeds are approximately 80 miles an hour.
742 is clear, managing both violent fleeing felons.
Yeah, clear on that. Coming to the outside lane, approaching I-35 northbound. I'll let you know what to do. Air 1. Can we get Air 1 up by chance as well? Approaching the middle lane, trying to decide which one of I-40 or I-35. Looks like we're going to take I-40, or set up to go on I-40.
Star dog as well.
It's occupied 2 times. The tag again is Queen Henry Baker 349. It's going to be like a reddish Jeep. So it's also going to have the back and bumper missing now. Speeds are about 60 miles an hour. We're in moderate traffic.
Okay, 4 on that, please.
Alright, still westbound I-40. Passing a car on the left. Speeds about 50 miles an hour. Going from the inside lane to the outside lane.
Your call has been updated.
Throwing, it looks like baggies out the window just before I-40 westbound. If somebody can, control officer, you can try to help us out with that. It was like a black baggie just before I-40 westbound from Sunny Lane. I-40 westbound speeds about 70 miles an hour. Traffic's lightening up right here. Looks like they are still in the number 2, switching to the number 3 lane and back to the number 2 lane. Passenger is on the phone. Alright, we're coming up to 235 and I-35 southbound. I'll let you know which direction they go. Still in the middle lane right now. Speeds are 70 miles an hour. You got the car radio switched over? No, it's alright.
They put it out at I-40 in Sunny Lane, right? Yeah, that's a 235 interchange right now.
Okay, still I-40.
Well,
We're
there's
going past the
here,
I-35 junction. Coming up to Oklahoma City Boulevard right now. We're in the inside lane. We're going to go around Oklahoma City Boulevard. Still westbound on I-40.
70.
Huh?
Speeds are 70.
Speeds are still 70. Traffic's lightening up quite a bit. There's maybe 2 or 3 cars ahead of us. Middle lane on I-40. Passenger keeps reaching down in the vehicle as well. Speeds are 75 right now. Alright, moving from the middle lane to the outside lane. Light traffic ahead. Coming up to exit 150B. We're going to stay on the highway. Speeds are only 79 miles an hour right now.
Your call has been updated.
Sure. Westbound I-40 still. Speed 75. Looks like we have a secondary unit with us right now. Approaching the western exit. We'll let you know what they did.
Is that a HPO?
Coming up on a little bit more moderate traffic. Speeds are 75. We're not doing any crazy driving maneuvers, just kind of a slow and steady pace right now. In the middle lane, I-40 westbound, approaching the pit exit. We're going to switch to the number 3 lane. We'll let you know what they do from here. Going all the way out to the outside lane. Looks like a firearm magazine just came out of the vehicle as well. And that was I-40 westbound, about 700 yards east of the pit exit.
Has been updated.
Someone doesn't mind grabbing that magazine for us, that'd be a big help. Coming to the 10 exit right now, we'll let you know what they do. They are going to get off on 10. Off on 10. Light traffic to no traffic, speeds 70 miles an hour. Looks like we're going to try to go northbound on 10. Northbound on 10.
That magazine you brought, that means you were off the shoulder.
TVI, TVI, TVI. Come back around. Driver, he's down. Come here.
Okay. Hey, listen. My wife's out here. You hear me? I'm not moving, man. I'm not moving. Hey, my wife. Listen, hey, look.
Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Get around the car! Get out of the way! Get out of the way, sir!
I'm not resisting, sir. Listen, I'm not resisting. Hey, I'm not resisting, sir. Listen. Drive.
Get around the car!
I told her to drive. Hey, excuse me. Sir, I promise I'm not resisting. Please. Hey. Y'all don't have to look. Please don't let him do it like that. Shit hurt, man.
Sit down, sir! Sit down, sir!
I am.
Sir!
Hey, please. Okay. Hey, listen. My wife's out here. You hear me? I'm not moving, man. I'm not moving. Hey, my wife. Listen, hey, look.
Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Get around the car! Get out of the way! Get out of the way, sir! Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting, sir. Listen, I'm not resisting. Hey, I'm not resisting, sir. Listen. Drive.
Get around the car!
I told her to drive. Hey, excuse me. Sir, I promise I'm not resisting. Please. Hey. Y'all don't have to look. Please don't let him do it like that. Shit hurt, man.
Sit down, sir!
I am.
Sit down, sir!
Put your hands on your back. Okay. Hey, listen.